Glances offers 3 levels of actions depending on the apps you've connected and your Glances plan. Dashboard level actions can be taken directly from the My Daily Glances or Glances search dashboards. These are especially useful when working with someone who isn't yet a contact in your system, like sending a Clustock application to a lead or creating a new customer in your CRM. Contact level actions become available after searching for a specific record. These let you take action on that contact, such as creating an invoice or estimate for a lead, contact, or project. Record level actions are tied to a specific record connected to a contact. After selecting the record, you can take targeted actions like refunding a payment, editing an estimate, or resending an invoice. Actions help streamline your day by boosting efficiency and minimizing the need to jump between apps. Glances is always adding new actions. If there's one you'd like to see, reach out to us at support@glances.com. And when you're ready to try Glances, start a free trial at glances.com.